Hi, today's video I'm going to show you the use of function keys F1 to F12 on the keyboard. So let's get started. First function button is F1, which is basically used for getting help. So it is called help button. Pressing F1 on while the browser is open from the computer or laptop. It will take you to the browser help interface. The next function button is F2. In case of changing the name of the folder on your laptop, we first right click on the folder and then rename the folder now. But if you want to do the directly, select the folder and then press F2 from the keyboard. It will save your valuable time. The next function button is F3. If you press F3 while the browser is running, find box will appear now. And now I can type what I can find on the screen. Like I type Tosnosh text. The find option do automatically highlight it where it is wrote. The next function button is F4. If you press F4 from your computer or laptop, nothing will happen. But if you place alternate and F4 together, the current application that you opened on the computer will be closed. Moreover, if no application is open on the desktop, if you press alternate plus F4, then you will get the shutdown or restart option of laptop. The next important function button is called F5. We refresh our laptop after pressing the right click with mouse button and then click on refresh. If you want to directly refresh your laptop from the keyboard, then press F5 one or more time. After your computer or laptop will be easily refreshed. And if you are in your browser and stuck into a website loading, so pressing F5 is help you to reload your website quickly. Now see this, your website is reload automatically. The next function button is F6. If you press F6 while the web browser is open, and it will select the URL in your browser instantly. The next function button is F7. This will usually work in MS Word to check spelling and grammar. I can open a Word document and paste some text. Now select some of this text and press F7 on my keyboard. Now this will automatically open this proofreading options. The next function button is F8. If you want to select all your text, then press Ctrl K from your keyboard. Now there is another way to select all your text. Now press F8 on your keyboard. The text in the Word document will be selected together. The next function button is F9. Basically F9 is used for select your search box in browser. Press function key on your keyboard and then press F9 to select search box instantly. The next function button is F10. If you want to open mouse right click option quickly without using mouse, press Shift plus F10 from your keyboard together. Now there is a pop-up screen of options like pressing right click with mouse. The next function button is F11. If you want to see full screen mode from your browser, open it now. It can be work in Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari and Firefox. You can press F11 from your keyboard or laptop. In a moment it will turn into a full screen mode, and if you want it to back, then again press F11 on your keyboard. The last function button is called F12. Pressing F12 while the browser is open, it will take you to inspect mode. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.